The National Weather Service has issued a thunderstorm warning for all of Massachusetts until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated 2 high winds that gone with floods in Storm Noah. Take cover now. Move to a substantial room on the lowest floor of your building. If no shelter is available, lie flat at the nearest inch or cover under your bed. Please don't hesitate to ask questions or concerns to call 1-888-456-3334 or post on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram for any concerns or questions. We now return you to regular programming.